Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Art. I am a great art lover. I look at beautiful paintings and sculptures and wish I could be artistic. I can't draw or paint to save my life. I wonder why some people are so talented and can create amazing pictures when other people like me can't even draw good majestic figures. I would like to fill my house with art from all over the world. It's interesting to see how different cultures have different kinds of art. There's nothing better than visiting art galleries when you go to another country. I prefer more traditional art. I don't really understand a lot of modern art. I look at an exhibit of a pile of bricks in a museum but can't see how it's art. I always laugh when my children say, Daddy, I can do better than that. I often think they can. Thank you.